I'll be singing a solo called Cuckoo Clock.